Standards. Standards organizations. Standards are developed by cooperation among standards creation committees, forums, and government regulatory agencies. Standards creation committees. So, while many organizations are dedicated to the establishment of standards, data and telecommunication in North America rely primarily on those published by the following. First one standard is the International Standards Organization, that is ISO. Second one is the International Telecommunication Union Telecommunication Standards Sector, ITUT, formerly the CCITT. And the third one is the American National Standards Institute, that is ANSI. Fourth one is the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, IEEE. Fifth one is the Electronic Industries Association, that is EIA. These are all the most of the standards that we are used in our computer networks. The ISO is an organization. It is dedicated to worldwide agreement on international standards in a variety of fields. And the second one is ITUT. ITUT is an international standard organization. It is related to the United Nations that develops standards for telecommunications. Two popular standards developed by ITUT are the V series and the X series. Next one is the ANSI. It is a non-profit organization. Is the US voting representation to both the ISO and the ITUT. The other one is IEEE standard, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. The IEEE is the largest national professional group which is involved in developing standards for computing, communication, electrical engineering and electronics. It sponsored an important standard for local area networks called Project 802. The aim of this IEEE is advanced theory, creativity and product quality in the fields of electrical engineering, electronics and radio, as well as all related branches of engineering. EIA, Electronic Industries Association. EIA is an association of electronics manufacturers in the United States. It is responsible for developing the EIA 230D and EIA 530 standard. It is an Section 1.5 recommended reading 21 electronics manufacturing concerns. Next one is forum. Telecommunication technology development is moving faster than the ability of standard committees to ratify standards. Standard committees are procedural bodies and by nature slow moving. To accommodate the need for working models and agreements and to facilitate the standardization process, many special interest groups have developed forums that is made up of representatives from interested corporations. The forums work with universities and the user to test, evaluate and standardize new technologies. The forums present their conclusion to the standard bodies. Next one is layered task. Task involved in sending a letter. This sender, a letter is written, put in an envelope and dropped in a mailbox. This one is the higher layer, and the letter is carried from the mailbox to a post office. And this one, the letter is delivered to a carrier by post office. A parcel is carried from the source to the destination. Again the letter is delivered from the carrier to the post office. Then the letter is carried from the post office to the mailbox. Again the letter is picked up and removed from the envelope and read. So this is the common process that has been done between the sender and the receiver. So totally it has three kinds of layers: lower layer, middle layer and the higher layer. There are three main categories: sender, receiver and carrier. A sender, receiver and a carrier that transports the letter. There is a hierarchy of a task. At the sender side, the activities that take place at the center side: higher layer, middle layer, lower layer. In higher layer, the sender writes the letter, inserts the letter into the envelope and writes the sender and receiver addresses and drops the letter into a mailbox. Middle layer, the letter is picked up by a letter carrier and delivered to the post office. Lower layer, the letter is sorted at the post office. A carrier transports the letter. At the receiver side, lower layer, the carrier transports the letter to the post office. In middle layer, the letter is sorted and delivered to the recipient's mailbox. In higher layer, the receiver picks up the letter and opens the envelope and reads it. In networking, the most important topic is OSI model. The OSI model. This model is established at the year of 1947. The International Standard Organization ISO is a multinational body dedicated to worldwide agreement on international standards. An ISO standard that covers all aspects of network communication is the Open System Interconnection Model. It was first introduced in the late 1970s. The OSI model is not a protocol. It is a model for understanding and designing a network architecture that is flexible, robust and interoperable. OSI is the organization ISO is the organization, OSI is the model. The OSI model is a layered framework for the design of networking system that allows for communication across all types of computer systems. An understanding of the fundamentals of the OSI model, it provides a solid basis for exploring data communications. There are 7 layers of the OSI model. First one layer is the physical layer. Second one layer is the data link layer. Third one layer is the network layer. Fourth one layer is the transport layer. And the fifth one layer is the session layer. Sixth one layer is the presentation layer. And the seventh one layer is the application layer.